much an old country boy like me can't hack. It's early to rise, early in the sack. I thank God I'm a country boy.
Don't let it suck air.
Think they're hungry, Finn?
Yeah.
Well, Garrett's doing a good job.
And then
Finn, he's a professional.
ain't these bottle caps cute?
Hey, I got Molly Keith here, and I got our big brother Jacob. What do you all think about our farm? Do you like coming up here, and tell me why?
I like coming up here because you have cows and you got Dinky and you have bunnies and you have chickens and you have pigs. But the most thing I don't like about your farm is you cut the pigs open.
Well, that's just part of it. When you raise these animals, God put them here to eat. So we try to eat what we can because they're awful good.
True.
What do you think about it here, Jacob? What do you like to do here?
I like to feed the pigs, feed the cows, and take care of the rabbits.
So what do you think the biggest thing you've learned, Molly, by coming around our farm here at Rocky Knob?
A lot of responsibility in taking care of the animals, but the best part is you get to love them.
Well, we enjoy having you all. Here's two fine young farmers. They had a blast today, and Garrett loved riding the tractor.
Here's how you get the hog feed out, Garrett. Fill the bucket up, Garrett. We got the feedlot all cleaned out. Now they ain't wading mud. Our bottle cats, we've got them eating grain.
God sure has blessed us with this little farm, and it's a blessing having these kids here, trying to teach them a little bit about agriculture and sharing with you. Thanks for watching.